The ordinance of 1787, which regulates civil and religious freedom in the several states, including Colorado, states as education law, and I quote, "Religion, morality, and knowledge being necessary to good government and the happiness of mankind, schools and the means of instruction shall forever be encouraged." This law in Section 1 of the United States Legal Code is organic law, like the Declaration of Independence and the Constitution, which also reside there. This school board has been teaching secular law and education in direct conflict with that law for decades. Only corrupt rulings of the courts have allowed that violation of law to continue, which turns our children's minds against their country, their society, and God who made them. In addition, this deception has allowed the truth of the origins to be subverted to the lie of the theory of evolution, proven false teaching for decades, to continue illegally taught in the schools and to be taught as fact. This board was served with a redress of grievances allowed by the First Amendment to the Constitution of the United States, which requires a response within 40 days. Extra time was given as a courtesy. Not only has no response been forthcoming, but the continuation of the propaganda teaching in direct violation of law has continued, now containing equity, diversity, woke, this, that, and the other thing, and illegal propaganda. The first law of the United States government is the Declaration of Independence, stated in government exists to protect the foundational premises and examples in the Declaration. If that does not happen, I quote, "We hold this truth to be self-evident, that if any form of government becomes destructive of these ends, it is the right of the people to alter and abolish it." This board is obviously a form of government and in violation of that law. Therefore, with the authority of the first law of the United States in the Declaration, this board can now be altered or abolished at the discretion of any of, quote, "the people," unquote, as they see fit, including and not limited to removal, prosecution in a people's court, and any sentence imposed they may deem appropriate with no interference by any government entity allowed by law. That is the law. This is where this board stands at this hour. Copies of this information plus the backup laws and information are right over here on the table if you'd wish to see them. Thank you.